Hey, how's it going out there, and welcome to the channel. So on this drop I am hunting moo, but I'm willing to take a papio or a kala. I just drop down here and hide behind this coral head, trying to stay low, keep my silhouette low, hide my gun at the bottom, perched behind this rock, just scanning. I see the school of kala, couple papios, a bunch of broomfish, but I have my eyes set on the moos. They're all about medium size, 2-3 pounders. So I just stay here and chill, hide my face, try not to make noise, keep my gun hidden, resting on the bottom, hiding behind that rock, trying not to make any sudden movements. I see a moo starting to work his way towards me, so I start lifting up my gun slowly. Now the moo is showing interest, so I take a body shot. I hit him right in the center. Not the best shot because it ruins some of the meat, but I definitely got him. Pull him towards me, make sure my flopper is holding and activated. Now as I dispatch the moo, I like to brain them out of the water, just so that their death rattle doesn't signal nearby predators. Now that I'm at home, this is next week. I had to freeze the moo and thaw it out because I had to work the next day. I'm going to make a shoyu chicken based dish, basically substituting the fish for the chicken. It's just your standard shoyu chicken recipe you can find on Foodland or Ono Recipes, YouTube. It's just some low sodium, soy sauce, water, brown sugar, honey, garlic, green onion, and ginger. You put it in a pot and you bring it to a medium high heat boil. And when you're filleting your fish, you can leave the skin on, leave the bones. It's a little bit more work to remove all the bones. Just smash a couple cloves of garlic and throw them in the pot. Same with the ginger, you just want to break it up. You don't have to chop it all fine. And then for the green onion, you can use the white ends for the sauce and throw that in there and stir it up. Make sure that the honey and the sugars dissolve. And then you can quickly pat dry your fillets. Get some of that ocean off of them, and then just let them settle in the pot and just let that soak and let that cook. So medium high heat, and you want to do it for like about 15 to 20 minutes because there's another step involved. You can cook it for 15 minutes. That should be good. Then when you're removing it onto a sheet pan, the tricky part is holding it together, but it's okay if it breaks apart because you're gonna be eating it anyway. Of course, for presentation you want it to hold up, but it is what it is. So get your oven ready at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can throw some cornstarch or some flour into the sauce and stir that up on the remaining heat, just so it'll thicken so you can have a finishing sauce. Throw it in the oven 450 for about 10 minutes. Any longer it's gonna get really dry. Take that out and then pour your shoyu sauce all over the fish. This is a really good and simple recipe. Anybody can make it at home with common ingredients you find in your kitchen. You can finish it off with some chopped green onions and just dig in. Enjoy.